Hi, I'm Curtis Barties and welcome back to my channel. So this is just going to be a quick update to a new feature to the Luno application, another or two new saving wallets to the Luno platform. If you watch a video like 4 months ago where there was a saving wallet on the Luno platform for Bitcoin, but now there's a new wallet for the USDC stablecoin and Ethereum. So if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, because on this channel we give a lot of videos surrounding cryptocurrency, stocks and financial topics. So make sure to subscribe if you find that you want to learn more about and educate yourself. So make sure to subscribe. So let's just go into this new saving wallets and check up more on it. So your turn to earn. So you can now earn interest on your Ethereum and your USDC stablecoin. So let's go into it. It's always good to read more about it before even doing anything. So we're adding not just one but two new cryptocurrencies to the Luno Savings, like to already the BTC, the Bitcoin, giving you even more ways to earn interest, passive income, introducing Ethereum and USDC savings. It's never been easier to save for your future. You can now earn up to 4% annual PA, so it's the same, the Ethereum is the same as the Bitcoin, and 7.6% on your USDC. So this interest is quite a little bit high compared to banks. Like banks, I'm not sure, but it was banks also given that range 6% for a fixed deposit. So this is also quite in that range for on your USDC stablecoin. So I'm just gonna do it today. I'm just gonna transfer, showing you how to do it and just playing around with this USDC. So let's go. So let's do it. So to sign up to the savings wallet is gonna be exact same process as you did with the Bitcoin one. So you're gonna get when you go to your wallets, there's gonna be a new one there at the bottom, add new wallet. So you'll click add new wallet. As you can see, there's the two new wallets. It's the Ethereum one. We're just gonna add both. As you can see, and up to 4% interest with we say next. You can read that. It's always good to read, but for video demonstrations I'm not going to go to reading. You can control, so you create wallet. Your Ethereum saving wallet has been created. Go back to your savings wallet. Let's just go back and create. See, as you can see there by the savings, the Ethereum one is added. Let's add to USDC. So as you can see, 7.6% interest. That's quite decent. Let's create this one and let's go. As you can see, there is both new saving wallets is added now to the savings side of the Luno. So this is the new feature to the Luno platform. So as you can see, I don't have Ethereum in this account on this Luno account, so I have some USDC in this account. So let's just transfer some USDC so we can start earning some passive income on this account without doing anything, earning 7.6% interest on your money without actually doing anything. But remember, this is paid in APY, so it's paid in monthly but on a yearly interest based. So let's just do that. So let's go into our USD. We say USD in. Now they're going to ask you how much of your USD you want to transfer into this savings account. So we're just going to say max for this purpose. As you can see, we're going to transfer $45. So we'll say next. As you can see, it's the same, exactly the same process as the Bitcoin one. It's quite free. As with banks, when you do fixed deposits, you can't transfer your money back out. So it's set for a fixed term. But with the saving wallets is you get paid monthly, but on a yearly, like I said, on a yearly interest rate. So when you want to feel like you want to withdraw that 1 month interest, you can take it out. It's not like it's fixed. It's very flexible and cash flow. So you can do cash flow with this. So let's just say confirm. Now they're going to ask you for security officer reason. So let's just going to skip to the part like this. There it's done. Your transfer USDC to your 6 wallet has been successfully. So let's just refresh. Oh, there's it now. I was wondering why is it taking so long. As you can see, there's it. It's in the wallet now, and it's gonna be exact same thing with the Ethereum one. So this means you can earn more interest. So if your money is just sitting in your account, you're not trading with it, you can always earn interest on it with this feature Luno is providing. So make sure to check it out. Also to read more about it, if you want to see the flexibility and the rest to it, you can always read more up on that. So this was the quick video on how to transfer money and make passive income with the Ethereum and the USDC saving wallets on Luno. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, to share the content with some friends and family to educate them on this topic of cryptocurrency. So I'm Curtis Bartis. Until next time, peace out.